Tumpak Sewu, also known as Koban Sewu, is a tiered waterfall that is located between the Pronojiwo district, Lumajang Regency, and the Ampel Gading district, Malang Regency, in East Java, Indonesia. The waterfall is overshadowed by Semeru, an active volcano and the highest mountain in Java. Tumpak Sewu is a highly visited tourist destination, primarily on the weekends. Infrastructure built around and inside the main box canyon has allowed for easier access to the area, although the trip to enter or exit is still physically demanding and may take around an hour to complete.